Hello, I'm so happy to be with you here today. My name is Beatrice. I'm a personal trainer, fitness instructor and nutrition coach. I have just done the 15 minutes of stretch program just before here. If you haven't done stretches before, please head over to that one and do that before you do this HIIT session. This one is only 7 minutes. There are 3 moves, 20 seconds each of HIIT sessions of cardio work. I will show you which one they are. First we have high knees with the pulling down the rope, okay, for 20 seconds, all in, all you can. Then the stretches, and after that we have got mountain climbers, all in again, 20 seconds, more stretches. And after that we have got jumping jack, 20 seconds. And if you can't do that, you just modify it to your own ability, okay? So let's start. And between each one of these, you have got 3 stretches. So let's start. We have first high knees. And all you can is 20 seconds here now. All in. So out of 10, you go 9 to 10. All in. Ha. And after this one, we have a stretch. Ha, there we go. Arm swing. Back. And you see I'm standing hip width apart, soft knees, and then I'm just rotating back slowly. And you can feel that you are still breathing quite heavily by slowing down and then forward. And as we go along with this, no, I'm going to keep it like this. I like it because it's good to do stretches for a longer time, and especially we've done a short spurt of the exercise, the HIIT session. Now we're going to change it to upper body twist. Okay, 40 seconds, hip width apart. You go to the side. Ooh, you should feel it on your back, on your lats, on your hips, and on your. It's perfect for your abs, internal abs. Okay. So 17 seconds. This really works our whole system, and we are losing weight and getting fitter while we are just standing here doing stretches because we got a bit of heartbeat up. Now we're going to see me semi-squatting. Okay, if you don't like this one, just shake out your leg 20 seconds. So when I'm doing this one, divided 20 seconds, I can tell you when you are supposed to change your leg. Now it's 20 seconds, so you can just change the other leg, okay, and shake. It might sound a bit weird, but it's really, really good. I do know that some people don't like doing this one, I don't know, but you need to follow your own body. For me, it works really, really well. Now, mountain climbers, down on the floor. You can have a mat or something that you are, so you don't glide, okay? 20 seconds, all in, right. Plank, and then you push your legs as far up as possible into your chest. Down with your bottom. 20 seconds, all in. Go for it. All in. It's so there. There we go. All in. Marvellous. Whew. Open up your chest. So hip width apart. Please continue with that one while I'm sorting out my mat. They move a little bit, I don't know why, but they do. This is a great chest opener. And try to get your heartbeat to slow down. So breathe in and breathe out. Now, hip rotation. I call it the Elvis version. You do 20 towards the right, and then we change it to the left. Yes, stay with me. Hip, you have a soft knees. This is a great exercise, this HIIT session, to start the day with. Other way, anti-clockwise, because you lubricate all the joints, soften up the muscles, and you prepare yourself for the day ahead. Even if you're watching television, cleaning up the cupboards, or whatever we are doing, in this climate, so to speak. But that's all I'm saying about that. Okay, hand, opposite hand. So now we've got 2 feet here, obviously, and we need to divide it. So other way now, anti-clockwise. So we've got 20 seconds on each foot. So now we are changing around. So it's only 20 seconds going on each direction, on each foot. I hope you follow me there. Other way, anti-clockwise. And now, after this one, is jumping jacks. And if you don't want to jump, it's absolutely cool. Okay, 1 second. Stay with me. Now, jumping jacks. Ha! If you can't jump, you go in and you come out. Okay? 4. And after this one, your front leg raise. Okay? You bend in, you bend over your leg. Uses your glutes and your abs at the same time. Stay with me. Whew. This is a great little exercise. 7 minutes each day after the stretches. And to get your heart beating, to have a nice afterburn during the day. And you can get on with your day. Now, after this one, we're going to do another one, obviously. Right. Ooh. This is a soft, nice one. Soft knees, softly bend, hip width apart. Yes, stretch out there, stretch out there. Okay. This is the easy one. And the last one is standing. Hip circles. Breathe. Slow down the heartbeat. Going down again, okay? No more HIIT session now. Just one last stretch. Come on. Knee up and then rotate, okay? So just rotate, and we're going to divide this. So I'm going to change on 20 seconds and do my other leg. And then you are all set. You are free to go. Get on with your day. Change. That's 7 minutes. Can you feel you are working your whole body from the top to the bottom, and you are giving yourself, well, some extra health. Lubricating the joints, soften up the muscles. Now we are finished. Can you believe it? 7 minutes. That's all we need to do every day. Yes, keep up with it, okay? Stay with me. Come back tomorrow. Join my Facebook page. And join me live every weekday at 8:30. And please subscribe to my channel so I can get 1,000 subscribers. I would really love that. And, oh yes, don't forget to get my free gift. It's absolutely awesome. If you are stuck and you want to lose weight now, the 14-day Kickstart diet will absolutely kickstart you. It's all free, and on there you have a diet plan, you have got some exercises, you've got millions of different workouts, plans what you can do, in the sense that you have got weight training here, there and everywhere, and you've got mental wellness, you've got passion cards, seriously, all for free now during this weird time we're going through, okay? A little bit later I'm going to charge for it, but at the moment I'm not, and also a bit later it's going to be into a membership site where it's going to be charged. But now, grab hold of it before, well, it's free and it's super good. And it's very focused. If you really want to lose weight, it's absolutely excellent. The diet, you can only follow it for 14 days, okay? It's very restricted. It is a bit boring because it's very restricted. You can't do that much exercise with it. But this one I have just done is absolutely perfect for that diet, okay? But after 14 days, I really recommend that you don't do it any longer. And then you go on to a more filling, a more healthy, well, I would say healthy diet, because you need something more substantial after that, okay? If that makes any sense at all. Lots of love to you all. Take care. Oh, by the way, later on, when I've done done it, I got a 30-day plan and a 90-day plan. Which first you start with the 14-day plan, then the 30-day plan and the 90-day plan. They're all, it's a logic in it where you go and you kickstart it. You have a 30-day that you form it all up, and then you go to 90-day. On Monday, I'm starting on the 30-day, if you want to follow me on that one as well. Lots of love, take care, but grab hold of that free Kickstart diet. If you don't want to follow the diet, just get and look at all the other free gifts in there. It is seriously awesome, I promise you. Lots of love, see you later. And remember to subscribe to my channel and head over to my Facebook page every weekday at 8:30. Bye!